What's up, folks? It's Dan here from VGainCharacter.com, where we turn games into gains, and today we're going over the dumbbell overhead press. This is a great shoulder exercise you can do with any set of dumbbells, adjustable, fixed, whatever you got. And I'm going to show a seated variant. You can do these standing as well. However, we're going to do the seated version today. So for this, all you're going to do, you're going to sit down. If you need to, you can kick your dumbbells up into position. All right. What you want to do is you want to start with the dumbbells basically touching the top of your deltoids right here. You can see them on the side here. All right. And what I want to do is I go from here and I just press smoothly up and then lower back down again. I want to focus, as I'm doing this, I want to focus on driving with my shoulders. Okay. You want to focus on flexing those deltoids as you push upwards and back down again. This will work your triceps as well, but you want to intentionally recruit your shoulders so that your triceps don't do all the work for you. Right? You want to think hard about, I want to work those deltoids, flex the shoulder muscles as I push up, and then control back down again. Remember, you always want to control on the descent. The eccentric motion is just as important as the concentric motion, especially if you're looking to build muscle. Okay, so work that downward as well as that upward. And that's it. Very simple, straightforward motion, but one of the basic building blocks for building shoulder strength and shoulder size. So thank you for watching. As always, remember to live boldly, change the world, and continue to be awesome. Bye-bye.
Listen.